Okay everyone, we're making a lemon garlic butter pasta with California green olives. It's amazing. Are you ready for this? Let's get going. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna melt that butter. Oh, and here's a little tip on storing butter. So butter will stay fresh in the fridge for about 3 months, but you can actually keep it for much longer. If you put it in the freezer, it'll last up to a year. The thing is, you can just store it right in its original packaging. Just take it out when you need it. Best way to keep butter fresh. We'll go ahead and add those breadcrumbs in there to that butter because it's all about that crunch, right? But we're gonna toast them till they're golden brown, but don't trust them. These breadcrumbs are shady. So here's the thing, you don't wanna take your eye off these because it's really easy to burn the breadcrumbs. That's why I don't trust them. Like, why do I gotta keep an eye on you, right? I'm not your babysitter. Once the breadcrumbs are nice and golden brown, we're gonna remove them from the pan, add in the remaining butter, and now melt that. Go ahead and add in the chopped garlic, more if you have a vampire problem. We're just gonna saute that for about a minute until it's really nice and aromatic. Then we're gonna add in our lemon juice and our lemon zest. Just go ahead and cook the butter, garlic, lemon, and lemon zest for about a minute. Just wanna get everything nice and combined and it just smells so amazing. Here's the thing, how to store lemons. So lemons look great on a bowl on the counter, beautiful, but they don't last as long that way. Put them in the fridge and they can actually last up to 4 times longer. So store them in the fridge. Add in some sliced California green olives, and we're just gonna cook that for another couple of minutes just to get everything nice and warm and combined together. So now I'm gonna add my pasta. I have a ½ pound of the pappardelle pasta that I've cooked per the package instructions. I'm just gonna toss that in with this butter and green olive mixture and just toss it until everything is completely coated in that butter sauce. Okay, so go ahead and add the breadcrumbs back to the pasta. That's that crunch that we're gonna be adding in. Add in some chopped parsley, and then just seriously salt and pepper it to taste. Wanna know how to store fresh parsley and keep it fresh for a really, really long time? Store it just like cut flowers. Like the cut flowers I never get. Just store it like cut flowers, it'll last a lot longer in the fridge. So this pasta is hearty and it's bright and warm and comforting. It's just a really delicious, easy, quick meal that I think you really will love. Check it out. I hope you like it.